Sometimes when you come into a game of CivWorld, you'll see the word Dowry over your World button on the navbar. This means it's time for your royal family to seek marriage with the citizens of another civ. You get the best dowries from other members of your civilization. Click on the World button, then mouse over your civ's box and click on Details. Choose another player in your civ by clicking on their name and you'll see their city. When you mouse over one of their population buildings, you'll see your dowry reward, and it'll be a big boost of whatever job that citizen is doing. You can mouse over any number of buildings to see which one has the best reward. The better the worker, the bigger the dowry. Click on the green button to collect the dowry. You'll get a huge boost to your stockpiles, and the other player will get a reward as well.